very good morning, one and all. Every child is a special way, and so you are. You are the reason for all our smiles and all our happiness. There are something that we cannot buy. One of such things is our childhood. So, enjoy the spirit of Children's Day. Every year, India marks November 14th as a Children's Day as two tribes to India's Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was born on that day. Nehru was fond of kids and used to meet them with affections. It was because of his special affection towards the children that people used to call him Chacha Nehru. I wish to all the children and our Marian family a happy Children's Day. May you have a fun-filled life.
Wish you a happy Children's Day.
Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of Free India. He shaped and guided the destiny of the country from 1947 till his death. Apart from being a good administrator, he was a prolific writer, an orator, and a great freedom fighter. Though he was born with a silver spoon in his mouth, he gave up any craving for wealth, status, and personal comfort and joined Mahatma Gandhiji in his struggle for independence of the country. He was his closest and most trustworthy follower. His leader's sudden death came as a big shock for him. In his address to the nation, Nehru said, "The light has gone out and there is darkness all around us." Nehru can be regarded as the founder of modern Indian state. For Nehru, modernization was a national philosophy with 7 goals: national unity, parliamentary democracy, industrialization, socialism, development of scientific temper, and non-alignment. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, children. I know you all know the importance of November 14th. Today is your day, Children's Day, an annual event celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Every child is a gift of God. Every child is a different kind of flower. All of you are different kinds of flowers, and all these flowers put together, they make this world a wonderful place, a beautiful garden to live in. I wish you joy and success in everything you do. A very warm wish for all the children on this special day. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Dear children, you are the world's most valuable resource and its hope for the future. Each one of you is unique. You brighten our world. You are the reason for our happiness and smile. You are the precious blessing from heaven. I would like to wish you great happiness on this special day. May your innocent smile and purity of your heart stay with you forever. May your future be as bright as the light you illuminate the world with. Love you all. Happy Children's Day.
Hi children, I am here to wish you on this special day. To start with, let me quote Mr. L. Frank. To me, there is no picture as beautiful as a happy, bright-eyed child, and no music as sweet as their clear and ringing laughter. So let me wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day. Stay home, stay safe, and study well. Bye children.
My dear children, today is Children's Day. A day is dedicated to you. I believe every child is different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. So Never let your creativity die. Happy Children's Day.
ജീവിതത്തെ മാറ്റിമറിക്കാൻ കഴിയുന്ന ഒരു പുഞ്ചിരി, ഒരു തലോടൽ, ഒരു നല്ല വാക്ക്, പ്രോത്സാഹനം എന്നിവയെല്ലാം മക്കൾക്ക് നൽകണം. എന്ത് സംഭവിച്ചാലും അവരുടെ കൂടെ ഞങ്ങളുണ്ട് എന്നൊരു വിശ്വാസം അവർക്കുണ്ടാവണം. അതവർക്ക് വലിയൊരു ആത്മവിശ്വാസം നൽകും. എല്ലാവർക്കും ശിശുദിനാശംസകൾ.
ഇന്ത്യയുടെ പ്രഥമ പ്രധാനമന്ത്രി ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റുവിൻ്റെ ജന്മദിനമാണ് നമ്മൾ ശിശുദിനമായി ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നത്. കുഞ്ഞുമനസ്സിൽ നന്മയുടെയും സ്നേഹത്തിൻ്റെയും സൗഹൃദത്തിൻ്റെയും മതസൗഹാർദ്ദത്തിൻ്റെയും ഒക്കെ വിത്തുകൾ മുളച്ചു വരട്ടെ എന്നാശംസിക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാവർക്കും, എല്ലാ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾക്കും സ്നേഹത്തോടെ ശിശുദിന ആശംസകൾ.
Children are flowers from heaven and dearest to God. So let's take an oath to make this earth a happy and better place for our kids. Happy Children's Day.
Every child is born with talents. Nurture their talents and let them flourish and make this world a more colorful one. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
चाचा हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार, नेहरू चाचा हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार। हम बच्चों का जीवन ढाला देकर हमको लाड दुलार, हम बच्चों का जीवन ढाला देकर हमको लाड दुलार। रखते याद नवंबर 14 बाल दिवस कहलाता है। हम भारत के नन्हे बाल तुम्हें भूल ना पाएंगे। नेहरू चाचा हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार। हम बच्चों का जीवन ढाला देकर हमको लाड दुलार, हम बच्चों का जीवन ढाला देकर हमको लाड दुलार। रखते याद नवंबर 14 बाल दिवस कहलाता है। हम भारत के नन्हे बाल तुम्हें भूल ना पाएंगे। नेहरू चाचा हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार।
We are the best in the garden. We are the stars in the sky. We are children, we want to shine. We are children, we
Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.